So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book hotels with a hot tub here on kayak.com. So once kayak's opened up, what I want you to do is to make sure that stays is selected if you're looking for hotels. Then go ahead and type in your city or your destination. So if you wanted to go, for example, to let's just say, I don't know, Mexico City right here, we'll use that as an example. Type in your dates and your times. Then if all looks good, go ahead and press on search. Now on this page right here, if you want to refine your search to listings that only have hot tubs in them, go to the top to where it says amenities right here and press on the drop down. Then just scroll down all the way to where it says H, where it says hot tub. Go ahead and press on that and then press on apply. Now, what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings or a bunch of different hotels that do have hot tubs on the property. So you can go ahead and sort of browse different hotels, and if one looks good, you can go ahead and book it through the next couple pages here. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book hotels with a hot tub here on at kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.